Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to create an age calculator for Blogger, and I will provide its script. So continue to our main video. So before getting started, subscribe our Smartest Blogger channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notification time to time.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So this is my main website. Link is in the description box. Here you can find the attractive age calculator script. So you want to click on that post and you will be get directed on this page. On this page you can see the my YouTube channel subscribe button have been created. If you also want to create this button, then video is in the I button, you can check it. So here down you should watch the password of zip file, and password is Smartest Blogger. And the important thing is that you want to extract that file and enter password 2 times. If you doesn't enter password 2 times, you can't get the file, so remember that. And down you can see I have kept here timer for download link. Here you can also do this. I will make its own video another. So our timing is going on. Here you can see after seconds 0 it will get directed to the download page. So it get directed to the download page, and from here you want to download the zip file. So here you can see it is a Google Drive link. You want to click on download button and your download will get started. So you want to rename that file and download it. After downloading, it will look like this. So I will open it in folder. After opening it in folder, you want to extract it here. So I will extract it. So here I will enter the password. So I have entered password one time and click OK, and you want to another time enter the password. You can just click here and enter. So after entering, again you want to click on OK, and here you can see that file has been extracted. Here you can see a txt file has been mentioned. You want to click that and open it. After opening, you want to select all and copy this code. After copying this code, you must have Notepad++. So after opening Notepad++, I will create a new page. After creating a new page, paste that all code here. After pasting that all code, go to Blogger dashboard and create a new blog. Here for demo I have already created it, then I will create a new. So here you can give the title as you wish. So I will give the title to my blog, Age Calculator. Click on next, and here you can give any address to your blog. So if you want to earn money from this code, you want to create your main URL subdomain which have been already have a Google AdSense approval. So then only you can earn money by creating subdomain. If you know how to create a subdomain, then comment me down. So after creating a new blog, go to theme section, and the important thing is that to scroll down and go to essential section. After going to essential, apply this theme. So this theme has been applied to my blog, and go here, click on the arrow and click on switch to first generation. Click on without backup. After clicking that, your theme will get directed to the first generation. So after clicking HTML code, you will find this code. You want to select all this code and delete it. So I have deleted all my code and I will go to my Notepad++. I will select all this code and copy this code. After copying this code, paste it here. After pasting here, I will scroll upwards and here you can see article number 1 and article number 2 has been mentioned. You want to write there 2 to 4 paragraph article, and Google AdSense code also mentioned here. You can create a subdomain and paste your code there. After saving these changes, I will take you to my blog. I will click on view blog. So here you can see our exact age calculator tool has been created. Here you want to paste your date. So I will choose any one date here. After choosing date, you want to click on calculate your age. So here you can see the age has been calculated. But here you can see a navigation bar has been displaying here. If you want to delete it, click on arrow and click on change nav bar. After clicking on it, click here on off. You can see many options. You want to click on off and click on save. After doing that, go to your blog and refresh it. And here you can see that navigation bar has been gone. So again you want to check any one of the month here. After doing this, I will click anyone here and calculate your age. So here age has been calculated. So if you like this tool, then like this video and share it with your friends. So thank you for watching this full video. If you enjoyed this video, then like it and share it with your friends. And at last, don't forget to subscribe our Smartest Blogger channel, and you can visit our site smartestblogger.com on Google. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.